I'm pulling this guy over. He's the 100 driver I've seen tonight wearing a seatbelt, and because of that, we're giving a large prize out for these people wearing their seatbelts. So let's see who this guy is. Alright, let's go check this guy out. Hey.
What's the problem, officer?
Really there's no problem at all, but I have to say congratulations, you just won $5,000 for being the 100th driver tonight I've seen wearing a seatbelt.
Are you serious?
Serious, and what are y'all planning on doing with this money?
Well, I'm probably gonna get my license, then pay off all those warrants for my arrest.
Oh, don't worry about him. He always talks big when he's drunk.
Okay, alright, I hear you. Alright, well y'all have fun tonight and be careful.
A cop? Man, I knew we weren't gonna get far in a stolen car.
Yo, amigos, have we crossed the border yet?
Silencio, Pedro! There you go.